In this video, we are going to create a simple AR face paint app. Create a new project, 3D. I'll name this AR face paint. Create. Turn on the auto generate lightning. And let's download the AR packages. Window, package manager. We need the AR foundation. AR core for Android. ARKit XR plugin for iOS. And we need one extra plugin for iOS face tracking, which is the ARKit face tracking plugin. For Android devices, face tracking is supported by the usual AR supported devices. For iOS, face tracking is supported by devices having the true depth camera, which is iPhone X, iPhone XR, 11, and all the devices after that. Let's set up the AR scene. Right click, XR, AR session origin, and XR AR session. Delete the main camera. For image tracking, we added the AR image manager script, and for object detection, we added the AR object manager script. Similarly, for face tracking, we'll add the AR face manager script. AR face manager. Here we need to add the object that we want to overlay when the face is tracked. For this app, we want a face mesh object because we are creating a face paint app. So let's create a face mesh object. Create an empty object. I'll name this AR face mesh. We need to add AR face mesh visualizer script, and the AR face script will be automatically added. Then we need to add a mesh filter and a mesh renderer so that we can add a material. Let's create a material. Right click, create. I'll name this face material. I'll make this red. Increase the metallicness. This looks fine. And I'll add it on the AR face mesh object. This will be the face paint color. Let's make this into a prefab and delete this and add the prefab right here. And that's all. If you run the app, this is what you'll see. Instead of a color, you can also add a texture to this material. So if I just make this white, and to add a texture, we need to download a texture first. So I searched for wooden texture and I'll get this texture. Let's drag this into the project. And to add the texture to the material, change the shader to diffuse and add the texture and make this standard again. So now the face mesh has this wooden texture. Now if you run the app, this is what you will see.